Tinted moisturizers are the perfect product that goes on between a bare face and a full face of foundation. They also save a lot of time which you spend using different products one by one, when you can just use one product. Now, there are many drugstore tinted moisturizers available on the market. But if you don't want to splurge that extra money on a new product, you can create a tinted moisturizer at home. Apart from saving money, you can also customize the tinted moisturizer to your needs. That's the best thing about creating a DIY moisturizer. That's why in today's video, we are going to talk about some DIY tinted moisturizer recipes. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Usually, the base of a DIY tinted moisturizer are the basic few makeup items that are lying around in your home. But today, in this video, we will customize the tinted moisturizer according to complexion and needs. Now, let's make some DIY tinted moisturizer. For this tinted moisturizer, you will need just two products. 1 teaspoon of moisturizer and 1 teaspoon of foundation. Choose a foundation according to your shade. In a mixing bowl, take the moisturizer and foundation and mix them using a spoon. Convert the tinted moisturizer to a small jar. You can adjust the shade by mixing and matching. If you want light tint moisturizer, use more moisturizer. If you want a deep tone and more coverage, then use more foundation. Application. Now the application of this tinted moisturizer is very easy. Use a normal foundation brush or beauty blender to blend in the tinted moisturizer on your face. For a dark tone tinted moisturizer, you will need 1 tablespoon of your favorite moisturizer and a sprinkle of ground cloves. Mix the moisturizer and ground cloves with a spoon. You can adjust the shade by continuing to add the sprinkle of ground cloves and mix it thoroughly to avoid clumps. Test the shade and for irritation. If the test goes well, you can make it in big patches and store it. Apply the product just like you use any other moisturizer or foundation, and then set the products on your face with the help of powder. To make a tinted moisturizer for medium skin tone, take 1 teaspoon of any moisturizer and a sprinkle of cocoa powder according to your skin tone. Add the moisturizer into a small jar, then add cocoa powder and adjust the shade by mixing and matching the shade according to your skin tone. Mix it in a way so that you get a smooth paste. Do a patch test and then store it. It's better to make the moisturizer in small batches to avoid contamination. Application. Use a beauty blender or foundation brush to apply your tinted moisturizer. You can use setting powder to further set the moisturizer on your face. For a tinted moisturizer that has a light tone to it, you will need 1 tablespoon of your favorite moisturizer and a sprinkle of ground nutmeg. In a small jar, add the moisturizer with the help of a spoon. Then add ground nutmeg to the moisturizer. Carefully add and adjust the shade according to your desire. Blend it properly to avoid any clumps and test it and adjust it according to your liking. Use the moisturizer with the help of a beauty blender to get coverage, and for minimal coverage, apply it like a moisturizer. For a tinted moisturizer with SPF, you will need 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 10 drops of vitamin E oil, 10 drops of lavender oil or rosehip essential oil, 2 tablespoons of powdered foundation or tinted loose powder according to shade, few drops of glycerin, and 1 teaspoon of SPF. In a glass container, melt the coconut oil by microwaving it. Add the vitamin E oil and lavender oil or rosehip oil to the mixture and mix it well. Let the mixture cool down a bit, then mix the SPF. Adjust the shade to your skin tone. Finally, transfer the moisturizer to a container and store it in a cool, dry place. The application of this tinted moisturizer is just like any foundation or moisturizer. If you want good coverage, use it as a foundation. And if you want sheer to no coverage, use it as a moisturizer. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.